In this video, we are going to show you how to manage large-scale research projects in Poppy AI. Now, there are 3 steps we can do baseline-wise. So first one is build a second brain structure, which means it's pretty much just having a secondary board that does all the thinking for you, meaning it is the secondary, as the name implies, a brain trained or Poppy Chat trained for that specific general project, right? So all you need to do is pretty much do the same, however you modify your template like so. And then the second step is to train AI on specific data. You can do this on a different board. You can do this in a board where there's multiple connections like this, and have, say, this one is going to be trained to go through Google Sheets, data, documents, and do statistics. You can have a secondary chatbot that pretty much deals with the history of whatever it is that you are working on. So, timeline, events, etc. Right? And then third is you utilize team collaboration, which means you can do this again. You can do this in one board and just connect people through share. Right? We have a couple videos regarding that, so check those out, and have them access this and have one person work on this cluster, have another person work on this cluster, have other teams work on different boards. So that is practically the gist of it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. 3, 2, 1. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, read that bell. I'll see you on the next video. In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for data synthesis. Now, Poppy AI synthesizes data by visually combining diverse sources like videos, URLs, PDFs, and voice notes into a single workspace. So to do that, you just have to upload everything. So you have a video here, you have a Google Sheets here, and you have a URL to a website here, and just connect it to your Poppy chat, and it's going to do pretty much everything for you. So by linking these varied inputs to an AI chat engine, you force the AI to read your specific assets simultaneously, resulting in highly contextualized synthesized outputs. With that said, it is still dependent on how you prompt your AI, right? Like, you can go as basic as possible, you can go as in-depth as possible at the same time. And with that, make sure that all of your assets are organized. So this is a simple visual representation here. The better thing to do is group it by category. So maybe group 1 is video, right? And then you create another group for Google Sheets or Google Docs for this one, right? And then group 3 is for URLs or website links, right? After that, you will be organized, you'll be more efficient, and you'll be able to just go through your work much faster and much more efficient. So if you are interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.